Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to manage performance reviews within the XpertERP system. In this video, we will guide you through the process of accessing, filling out, and submitting your appraisal forms via the Employee Self-Portal. Let's get started. First, log in to the Employee Self-Portal. On the left-hand side menu, locate and click on the Performance drop-down menu, then select Appraisal Forms. This will bring you to a list of available appraisal forms where you are a respondent. This dashboard provides a clear overview including the appraisal title, start and end dates, the appraisee, your respondent type, and the current status. To begin, click the Respond button under the Actions column for the relevant form. Once inside, scroll through the various fields to provide your responses, and be sure to include comments wherever necessary to provide context. If you need more time, click the Save button to store your progress and return later. However, if you are satisfied with all the information provided, click the Complete button to finalize your submission. Please note, once a form is marked as complete, no further changes can be made. For your convenience, the Save and Complete buttons are located at both the bottom and the top right corner of the form. Let's click Save. You will see a success message confirming your responses are stored. To officially submit, click Complete. A confirmation pop-up will appear, requesting any final or general comments. Enter your remarks and click Yes to confirm. Back on the Appraisal Forms list, you will see your status has changed to Completed. You can still view your input by clicking the View button. If other respondents have not yet finished their sections, the general form status will remain as in progress. In this view, you can also scroll down to see feedback from other participants. If you require a hard copy, simply click the Print button at the top right corner. Finally, if you need to find a form from a previous period, use the Filter button. Set your preferred date range and form status, then click OK to load the results. That concludes our guide on responding to appraisal forms in XpertERP. By following these steps, you can ensure your performance feedback is recorded accurately and submitted on time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more XpertERP system walkthroughs. Thank you for watching.